Are you trying to mirror your iPhone to your TV, but it's not working for some reason? You came to the right place, because in this video, I'll show you 6 easy ways to fix screen mirroring between your iPhone and your TV. The first thing which you can do is to force restart your iPhone. And you can do that by pressing the volume up button. Then press volume down, and after that press and long hold the power button until the Apple logo appears over your screen. So just press the buttons quickly in order to perform a forced restart. The second thing which you can do is to restart your TV. Maybe it has some bugs or glitches, so just turn the TV off completely, then wait a couple of seconds and turn it back on. Solution number 3 is to make sure that the low power mode option is disabled or turned off. We will open the settings on our iPhone. After that, we're going to open this battery section. If low power mode is enabled, you'll want to disable it and see if this fixes your problem. The fourth fix is to update to the latest iOS version, because your phone can have some bugs or glitches in the software, which are causing the issue with screen mirroring. So, open your settings once again, navigate over to the General section, and after that, we're going to click on this Software Update option. Check here if you have any new pending updates for your iPhone. And if you do, just update the phone to the latest version in order to get all of the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. The fifth, and maybe the best solution to this problem, is to reset all iPhone settings. And this will work in 90% of the cases when you're having issues with screen mirroring. So we'll open the settings, then tap on General once again. After that, go all the way down to the bottom of this page until you see this Transfer or Reset iPhone option. After that, I'm going to tap on Reset, and then Reset All Settings. Reset All Settings on iPhone restores all system settings to their default state without deleting your data like photos, apps, or messages. It resets Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, display settings, and privacy preferences while keeping your personal files intact. If you're having screen mirroring issues, this can help by fixing any misconfigured network or AirPlay settings that might be causing the problem. Since AirPlay or screen mirroring relies on Wi-Fi and device settings, resetting everything can clear out any glitches or conflicts. After resetting, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi, re-enable Bluetooth, and adjust any custom settings again. This is a great troubleshooting step if other fixes haven't worked. And the last solution which I have for you is to make sure that your iPhone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can check that by opening the Control Center on iPhone. Then long press and check which Wi-Fi network you are connected to. The TV must have the same Wi-Fi network name in order for the phone and the TV to communicate. So if you're using mobile data on your phone, you'll have to connect to the same Wi-Fi as your TV, and then try to screen mirror. Those are the 6 fixes which I have for you. If you have any other fixes to this problem, please leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people with this issue. Thank you so much for watching this App Tutor video, and I will see you in the next one.